Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, I appreciate it. If you guys do me a favor and smash that like button, make sure you guys turn on your bells for notifications of when new videos are going to pop up. What we're going to do now is we are going to unbox my new toy, the DJI Mini SE. I just got it in the mail today. Don't mind the mess in my room. I got to do a lot of spring cleaning. But let's get this thing started. Okay, so outside packaging is really nice. Standard box. So you open this up. Inside you've got this gray case. Nothing else inside the box. You get a nice little hard case here. It says DJI Mini on the outside. It's got a nice handle here. You can tug this thing around. It's got a zipper. Sorry if you guys can't see. Open this up. And then inside we have the toy. So first things first is we have the remote. Let me open this up. Don't mind the background noise. I'm watching football. It's Thursday night. All right. So it's the standard DJI Mini remote. So there's that. You got a bunch of documentation here. Directions on how to use this thing. I used my buddy's DJI Mini SE in the last couple of videos that you guys saw. So, okay. Next we have I think this is the triple battery charger. Yep, sure is. So we've got 2 extra batteries. The third battery is in the drone itself. So this will come in handy for those long days that we're at car shows and stuff. Next we have, where are these here? Oh, these are blades. So we've got some additional blades. Get all the cords. Oh, we got the joysticks for the top of the controller. We have all of the different phone charger or the phone connections. So we've got a USB. We got a micro charger. We've got the different actual chargers themselves. We've got a little screwdriver to change out the propellers, which is kind of cool. Don't want to lose any of this. And then here's the drone. So the only thing that I think I'm missing is the propeller guards. So I'm gonna have to go back into my Amazon cart and figure out where my propeller guards are. But that's the drone itself. So it's 249 grams. So if you know anything about drones, so technically with this one here, you don't need a drone license for it. But I will caveat that and say, depending on what you're doing with the drone, and then if you put any attachments on it, it'll put it over that 250 grams, which then you'll need to have a drone license for. So because I'm going to use this for personal use, recreational use, I guess is what they call it. I'm not going to need a license, but I'm going to pursue getting the license anyways, because at some point, hopefully maybe somebody will be like, hey man, you got a drone? Let me give you some money. And then once you start accepting money or doing jobs for profit, then the FAA gets really butthurt. So your license, if you will, goes from being recreational to the commercial side of the house. So, and then of course, if you add any attachments to this itself, like the propeller guards, or if you put any of the the indicator strobes on here, it's going to push it over that 250 grams weight limit, which is you're going to have to register the drone with the FAA anyways. But I'm going to do all that stuff anyway, so shouldn't be a big deal. And I've been studying for my drone test, which seems super simple as well. But all right, so that's everything we have now. So this weekend we got a couple of shows going on, so I'll get some footage and we'll go from there. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Again, if you're new, I appreciate you. Appreciate you coming by. If you're returning, I always love the returned visitors. So if you got any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below, and we'll go from there. All right, till next time.